Ой, щось то за шум учинився, гей, що комар та й на мусі оженився, що комар та й на мусі оженився. He selected such a bride, just a teeny weeny fly. She can't cook, she can't sew, and she doesn't care to try. She can't cook, she can't sew, and she doesn't care to try. Зійшлися всі комахи святкувати, поспівати, танцювати, заїдати, поспівати, танцювати, заїдати. When the feasting was all done, the mosquito wanted more. Make some borscht, he yelled out as he entered through the door. Make some borscht, he yelled out as he entered through the door. Я не вмію шити, прясти, ні варити, я не вмію комарику догодити, я не вмію комарику догодити. The mosquito got so worried as he thought about his fate, so he chose a lonely oak where he sat to contemplate. So he chose a lonely oak where he sat to contemplate. Де взялася шура-буря, гей, вона ж того комарика з дуба здула, вона ж того комарика з дуба здула. All his friends gathered round, very grieved for his plight, and they sang and they wailed right from morning until night. And they sang and they wailed right from morning until night. Поховали його край дороги, тільки тому комарику видно ноги, тільки тому комарику видно ноги. On his tombstone they inscribed, this is not a captain here, nor a general, nor a king, but a lover oh so dear. Nor a general, nor a king, but a lover oh so dear.